Hi, today I'm going to look at well, it's actually my dad's Sears Craftsman Reciprocating Saw. I'll throw the model number up here. He was trying to use it and it kind of blew up on him. So we're going to take it apart and see if we can figure out what's wrong with it, what went wrong. It's quite old. I would even call it vintage. It's not that vintage, it's still plastic housing. So if you've joined me for this video, then one of the things you might be doing is looking for some information about this saw. I went looking online to find some information. Couldn't really find too much. I could find an owner's manual. I could find some brushes for the motor for sale. Couldn't find any other parts. Couldn't find any other information. I don't know what year this is from. There's no date on here. Let's go ahead and take this apart and see what we find. Oh, here, let me show you again. Let me show you the damage. As you can see here, this case got split right down the seam here and got cracked on the sides. And it's got a big crack across here. Well, I should say a small crack, but it's cracked right across here. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. So it's like something blew up in here and something blew out over here. So maybe the first thing we'll do is plug it in. See what it actually does. So it's not moving. It's kind of locked up. This thing's beat up pretty good. So it looks like it's got a bunch of Phillips screws holding it together. See if I can get those pulled out. Looks like there's 3 different screw sizes, or more, in here. And it looks like this part here jumped out of the reciprocating part. So it looks like the most serious thing here is that this aluminum die casting piece, it looks like it's snapped off all the way across. So there's not going to be any repairing this. So that did in fact come out. It's got plenty of grease on it. So we're going to plug it back in and see what happens. So it looks like it still wants to go round and round. So the motor's in okay shape, and it looks like the whole gear train looks like it's in good shape. So looks like this left-handed nut, it looks like it came loose. And that's what might have caused this whole thing to break. Because it looks like this has got an adjustment screw for the bevel gears. And then this nut's supposed to be tightened. And it's a left-hand nut. It looks like if that got tightened up, then it looks like that was all the way backed off. So that probably caused the gears to start to jump. And this thing got bound up and snapped her off. So thanks for watching, and if you do have one of these, feel free to leave a comment and tell me the story about your saw and how old it is, because I have no idea how old this is. But in light of this, if you're still using yours, you might want to take it apart and check this jam nut here to see if that's loose. As you can see, there's just a few screws to take out. See if that jam nut's getting loose, because that could cause this thing to jump teeth and cause this thing to bind and break off. And then your saw is done for. Thanks for watching.